Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. If your Westinghouse TV is acting up, freezing, or just not working as it should, a reset might be the perfect solution. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to reset your Westinghouse TV, both with and without a remote. Let's dive right in. Method 1. Reset using remote. Grab your Westinghouse TV remote, press the menu button, navigate to Settings and select System. Scroll down and choose Reset and Admin. Select Reset TV to Factory Defaults. Confirm the reset and wait for the TV to restart. Your TV will now reboot and restore itself to factory settings. This will erase all saved settings, so be sure to back up any important preferences before resetting. Method 2. Reset without remote. Turn off your TV and unplug it from the power outlet. Locate the power and volume down buttons on the TV. Press and hold both buttons, then plug the TV back in while still holding them. Keep holding the buttons for about 10 to 15 seconds until the TV turns on. Release the buttons and the TV should begin the reset process. Once the reset is complete, your TV will restart just like it did when it was brand new. Conclusion. And that's it. A quick and easy way to reset your Westinghouse TV. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.